Bonjour, Aninjo. Dito ka na duk. Dinayama ka na duk. Session 19. Kibita ko shinimin. Miigwech ninonde na ka ni Anishinaabemowin. Museo mga ayawat. Kapamos sa'yo tuma. Masaway. Ang nishigo man nakakya. Anishinaabe. Agawi tiwinan. Number 2. Treaty number 2. Memdagay ko. Machi ko. Ni Anishinaabe. Umaga biswat. Animo zibing. Uchichako sipi. Kakakwik kichiyong. Pinemoteng. Isikachi wanung. Kisikuinin. Ishkowin aning. Ka kiska kamigag. Obashkote ang. Ista shake. Ista shang. Au quino ang. Au zami no ang. Wega Anishinaabemowan. Kabino chaki on ja. Anishinaabemowan. Kinamo nanik. Kewi no ang. Chijong binamuat. Chitako na muat. Wete wa se kame kizinigan. NAMADABIN. NAMADABIN. Spell that for me. NAMADABIN. NAMADABIN. Skyway is you noting. NAMADABIN. Session 19. NAMADABIN. 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 NAMADABIN Corey. Bonjour, bonjour. Bijogan. NAMADABIN Corey. NAMADABIN. Let's count. Let's break it into syllables. Na ma da bin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 syllables. NAMADABIN. NAMADABIN. Shemak. NAMADABIN. Session 19. Protocols. This is me. This is she. Bonjour, Corey. Bonjour, Nijagan. Corey. Wagonan. NAMADABIN. One more time. Bonjour, Corey. Bonjour, Nijagan. Shiga anin kangut. Kintas. Kangut. Corey. Wagonan. NAMADABIN. 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 Aja. That concludes our phrases. 4 phrases that we learned in the last 4 sessions. Session for Ambel Ma, Weti Jean, Nebeminikwen, and NAMADABIN. NAMADABIN. Anita, NAMADABIN. Coming up next, session 20. Igani kenda amin juwa anin chijang gindas wang. We're gonna learn how to count from 1 to 12, and we're going to use an Anishinaabemowin clock for that activity. So stay tuned and stay cool. It's a hot one out there. Okay, see you soon. Session 20 coming right up. Bonjour. Ay, no, wait, that's dame. Anin minik ejiseg. Anin minik ejiseg. Aham. Aham satış. Anin minik ejiseg. What time is it? People ask from time to time. Sometimes, all the time. And the way to identify that phrase is to hear it, listen for it. Anin minik ejiseg. Let's look at that phrase first. Anin minik ejiseg. That's the best form of asking, what time is it? So let's go through it again. Anin minik ejiseg. Ejiseg. Anin minik ejiseg. When someone asks you that question, Anin minik ejiseg, they're asking you, what time is it? Anin minik ejiseg. Anin minik ejiseg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 syllables. Anin minik ejiseg. Let's say it's 1 o'clock. Say it's 1 o'clock. You would say Ja bejik ejiseg. Can you see that? Can you say that too? Ja bejik ejiseg. So, protocols. This is me, this is she. Corey, Miigwech. Anin minik ejiseg. Ja bejik ejiseg. Oh, Miigwech. Miigwech. Let's try that one more time. Bonjour, Corey. Bonjour, Nijoren. Anin minik ejiseg. Ja bejik ejiseg. Oh, Miigwech. Miigwech. That's session 20. Learning how to tell time. Now you know how to identify when it's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock either in the morning or in the afternoon. As we go along, we'll begin to add words that identify 1 o'clock in the afternoon or 1 o'clock past midnight. But for now, there's 1 o'clock. Now you know how to tell time. Your teaching bundle is getting bigger and bigger. So get those index cards ready, because we're going to do a review of all the words we have, and we're going to play a game where we create sentences with all the existing words so far. And Mr. Miigwech will be making a special appearance after we teach all of the times. And then Mr. Miigwech will come back, and Mr. Miigwech will conduct the quiz. The quiz will be conducted by none other than the famous Mr. Miigwech. Okay, see you soon. Stay tuned. We're coming up with 2 o'clock. Coming right up. How to tell when it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon or in the morning. 2 o'clock. If someone asks you, Anin minik ejiseg. Anin minik ejiseg. o'clock. You're gonna look at them and you're gonna say, what are you gonna say? Je, niche, et je sais. It's already 2 o'clock. Je. Let's spell it together. Je. Nige. Et je sais. Did you get the same spelling? Je. Niche. Et je sais. Je niche et je sais. It is now 2 o'clock. Je niche et je sais. Anin minute je sais. Je niche et je sais. Protocols. This is me. This is she. Bonjour Corey. Bonjour Nijalan. Anin minute je sais. It's 2 o'clock. Je niche et je sais. Oh, Miigwech. Miigwech. Amina. Bonjour Corey. Bonjour Nijalan. Anin minute je sais. Je niche et je sais. Oh. Miigwech. Miigwech. Ahamsa. Tash. See you again. Bye bye. I'll see you again. We're going to talk about 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Anin minute je sais. Je ne sais et je sais. Anin minute je sais. Je ne sais et je sais. Je ne sais et je sais. One more time. Anin minute je sais. Je ne sais et 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 je sais. That's how you say it. Protocols. Protocols. This is me. This is she. Bonjour Corey. Bonjour Nijagan. Corey, anin minute je sais. Je ne sais et je sais. Oh, Miigwech. Ahamsa tash Miigwech. One more time. Bonjour Corey. Bonjour Nijagan. Anin minute je sais. Je ne sais, je sais. Oh, Miigwech. Ahamsa tash Miigwech.